chapter 13, Let's Wait. So the chapter name is Let's Wait. So she is saying, the girl is saying someone to wait. A monologue means a long speech by one person. So here the long speech is given by the girl. When things go against the wish, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. So here it is given about you only. You are a little children, so you sometimes wish for something. So for need for a things, or you feel for parents should love you more. Then if that doesn't happen, you feel very sad and lonely. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. So it's not like that. Parents love all the children same. If two children are there, they love both the children, and they care us, and whatever we ask they buy for us. It's only when they wait and think properly that they understand it. So when we think what all they have done till now, how much sacrifice they have done, so we can, if we think, then we can understand. Let's hear what this girl has to say. So now we will see what this girl is saying. This is the worst day of my life. I am feeling very sad. So she is saying that the day of the worst day of her life, that is the day she is saying the speech, and she is saying she is very sad. And we will not believe that you may not believe it, but I am the saddest person on this earth. So something if worst happen or something sad we feel, if we will say, we already say that we sometimes say the saddest person on the earth, but it's not actually like that. The reason is that nobody loves me. I have a family. So she say in her family no one loves her, like that she is feeling. I have a family, mummy, daddy, granny, and a younger sister. So in her family there are 5 members: mummy, daddy, granny, herself, she's elder sister, and one younger sister. Here you can see the picture, younger sister. I have been sitting here behind the sofa for the whole day. Okay, for the last 8 hours. All right. At least an hour. At least 10 whole minutes, and no one has noticed. So she's saying that the whole day she's sitting behind the sofa and no one is seeing her. She's thinking, but not. Then after that she's saying no, not whole day, 8 hours. Then she's saying no, at least an hour. An hour means 1 hour. Then she's saying no, 10 whole minutes, but no one have noticed. But no one have noticed, seen her wherever she's. They all interested only in my sister. So she is saying she's elder sister. She's saying that they all are interested only in a younger sister. Younger sister is a small girl. Okay. Even when she cries for no reason, they all rush to her, pick her up, and give her whatever she wants. So she is saying that whenever she cries, small children, when they want something, they usually cry, and parents, what they do, they rush to her and pick, and whatever the small girl wants, they give. So she is saying, if a elder sister if try like that, no, they immediately beat. Okay. So parents, because they can talk. So elder sister, she is a big girl, so she can talk. So if without reason someone cry, means their parents will scold. But here this small girl, she can't talk, so she will cry if she wants something. So they will rush to her and pick up, and whatever she wants they give. I should really go away and live in some interesting place. So she is saying, she is thinking that she want to go in some interesting place, and the home where she is living is not interesting. I think I will become a hermit and wander in a mountains and forest. So she will saying that she want to be hermit. Hermit means to be alone, and wander, roam in a mountains and forest. And I will eat the fruits on trees. So she want to eat the fruits of trees and make friends with birds and animals. Or I will, so or her option means this place, mountain or forest, or I will ride away on a camel. She want to ride on a camel and live in a desert where there will be more sand. Okay, so desert. At night I will sleep in a tent. So in night she will make a tent and sleep there. Or better still, I will travel to the North Pole and live in a igloo made of ice. Otherwise she will make her go to a North Pole and live in a igloo. Igloo means house made of ice. I will make friends with the polar bear. There she want to make her friends with Polar bear. What that? Something soft against my back. She is feeling something soft on her back, that is someone is touching her. Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here, you silly? So she is saying her sister as so it's a baby, that is a girl, small younger sister. So she is saying, silly, you go away. Don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Teach, teach. Is there nobody else in the house to look after you? So she is saying that no, she smiled at her and she is following her. So where the elder sister is, usually the small sister has to follow her, that is the younger sister. So teach, teach, nobody else in the house to look after you. So she is asking, the no elder sister is asking the younger sister that no one is there to look after you. Come, don't come here. You may come into something and I will get all the scolding. So she is saying, the girl is saying that no, not to come here. So where's the girl is there. So she may pump means to accidentally eat against anything. Usually the small girls sometimes eat somewhere and fall. So elder sister get the scolding. What she is doing like that. So that's why she is saying, why do you have to do everything that I do, copycat? So she is saying, the girl is saying her younger sister is copycat because she was following her. Oh, never mind, really. The people in this house, they should look after her better. So she is saying that they should look after her better because already the girl has grown up. I am grown up now. I can manage on my own, but what about this little baby? So she is saying she is grown up now. She is able to understand that she is grown up, and she is saying the little sister want to be taken care of. So come baby, let's crawl out from here. So she is crawl means to walk in to hands and knees. When I go away, I will take you with me. So she is saying that the girl is saying that when she all told no already she will go to mountain or forest or to desert or to North Pole. So when she goes, she will take her younger sister, or you will keep crying for me all the time and they don't even guess what the matter is with you. So the girl is saying that if she goes now, the younger girl will searching for him and crying. So the family no one will be able to understand what happened, why she is crying. So I really can't go away when you are so small. So the girl is saying that now she will not go because her younger sister is small. Let's wait till you are little older. So the girl is saying to her younger sister that when she grow up little older, she will take her also to the mountain, forest, or she told in desert or in North Pole. So till then they have to wait. That's why she is saying let's wait till you are